As we have an area of rain pushing southwards, and it is going to be quite windy in the north too. And then for the weekend it looks like being generally mild, but we will see some rain and strong winds at time. And then another change as we go into next week, turning colder and windier, particularly for the north where it could be quite wintry, and of course we'll keep you updated on that. Now we've certainly seen more in the way of cloud across the country compared to yesterday, and also as we look out in the Atlantic we can see what's heading our way as we go through the weekend. It's wrapped around an area of low pressure and along with some frontal systems, and this is what is going to continue to pile in as we go through the weekend, bringing those spells of wet and windy weather. But then we see the high slipping out into the mid-Atlantic, and that to allow a deep low pressure area to come in from the north as we head through Tuesday and Wednesday. Those tightly packed isobars indicating some gale force winds coming in from the north, and yes, they're going to be bitterly cold. And as that low pulls away, we could see some significant snowfall, particularly over Scotland. So for the next couple of nights it's going to be pretty mild indeed, but as we start to see that colder air come in, we'll start to see some frost coming in across parts of Scotland and latterly northern England. But during today we've seen the wettest of the weather over parts of northwest Scotland, and that's really how it's going to stay for the rest of today. Just the hint of a little bit of dryness in eastern Scotland, across England and Wales and Northern Ireland. The rest of the bright weather I think always across England, and here after a chilly start we'll see temperatures quite mild up to around 9 or 10, elsewhere around 11 or 12, but in those stronger winds it's not going to feel particularly warm. But unlike last night, it's going to be frost-free tonight. Lowest temperatures of around 5 to 7 degrees. And then we'll see that rain really gathering in the northwest with gusts up to 40 to 45 miles an hour. And that then making its way southwards and eastwards as we go through the night. It'll still be across parts of England and Wales for the morning with the odd heavier burst, but some brighter skies coming in behind it, and those feeding southeastwards through the afternoon. But a packet of really squally showers for much of Scotland. Some of them really quite heavy and prolonged, even wintry over the hills, with temperatures at best around 8 or 9, but still mild in the south. And then on Saturday night, some rain coming in across the north. That's spilling eastwards as we go through the day on Sunday, but very mild where it dries up in the south later. Now back to you, Dan.